Hi everyone, in this video I will take you through the steps on how to create GDS campaigns for seed seller agents. If you are an operator and would want to give additional commission to agents for booking on your services, you can do the same using the campaigns tab in your BOGDS login. Under the campaigns tab, you will be able to see all your active campaigns from here and also look at the weekly sales data for the last 2 months from here. To create a new campaign, click on Add New Campaign button. Give a campaign name. Select the route on which you would want to give additional discounts on. You can give additional GDS commission in terms of percentage or in terms of flat amount. For example, if you want to give 7 to 8% additional GDS commission, you can select this option. Or if you want to give additional 50 rupees or 100 rupees GDS commission, you can select this option here. In this example, I will show you how to configure percentage GDS commission. You can give daily GDS commissions for all DOJs from here, or you can give early bird offers from here, for example for any agent who books 15 days in advance from here. You can also give Tatkal offers from here for anyone who books say 2 or 3 hours before the departure time from here. You can also give return trip GDS offers from here. The GDS commissions that you configure will be over and above the base commission that is extended to the agents by SeedSeller platform. You can also additionally choose the campaign days. For example, here, since this is a new year offer, I am giving this offer from 29th of December to 5th of January. You can also choose on during which timings should this GDS campaign be applicable on, and also to which particular agents should this GDS campaign be applicable on. So once you mention all these items, you can create the campaign from here. You will see that a message is displayed saying the campaign is successfully created. And you can see the campaign details from here. Once the campaign is created, the same will be active for agents. So if you log into Agent Console now and search for the route, which is Hisar Kolar, and on the service, you will be able to see that extra commission is extended to this agent. And the same can be found in the details tab. For this example, I have configured 5% flat percentage GDS commission, and you will be able to see that the same is extended to the agent post retention, which is 30%. So from here, this is how you can create GDS campaigns for agents.